Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I have an amazing product, and this was for my books and clothes. I was trying to get something online. So I bought this product from Amazon, and it's a storage foldable cabinet. So here I'm showing you how to install it. The installation, the assembly is very easy. All the instructions are there in the instruction manual. It is very easy to attach, and it's a foldable storage bin with wheels, and it has stackable doors and lids. It's also collapsible. It's a plastic unit, you can say, a box type look, and it is really very easy to install. Just it's like a Lego fix, and just click and install it. You can also stack it on one on top of the other. Even the wheels are very easy to install. They have given all the instructions and all the necessary tools and the parts which are required for the assembly. You can use this kind of a cabinet for organizing your clothes, kids toys. Then you can organize books. I think you can even use it for the kitchen. You can put the spices, gadgets, stationaries, and it's also very smooth and rolling, and it rotates 360-degree. Isn't that a beautiful cabinet for your living room, family room, or maybe besides your bedroom? So enjoy. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.